You don't have to be so classy and like me. You can be yourself.
Yo, okay.
She's just trying
bro.
to copy me that yes, like this. Oh, dude, yeah. Oh my god. Finally, I am back. I uploaded my recent video a month ago. None of you were waiting for my long video, but I am still making it. And talking about my last video, it was about Korean makeup, and I got a good response, I would say, on that. So I thought to make one more video on Korean makeup. What is that? Where was I? One more video on Korean makeup. Here I am. So hello, hi, namaste, welcome to your obviously not yet favorite YouTube channel. It's a girl with wrinkles and pimples, which is totally normal. Grab something from your kitchen because my video is going to be super fun. So someone will be joining us in this video and she is my sister. Actually, I was going to shoot this video alone, but she just surprised me. She just came and she was like, yo, I am here, and I was like, let her join to my video so that we can get two different personalities. She's from sports and I'm from okay. I'm from non-sport backgrounds. Both of our skin tones are different, so I thought we can like compare who looks better in Korean makeup. So let's get started. She don't have any idea what I was doing, so she just got ready and she's like, tell me what to do. We are going to do Korean makeup video and I have selected this girl, Jessica Wu. She's that girl we see, you know, in reels.
Can we do that?
We can.
You can. Is it off my skin too?
Actually, it has glitter, no? So
Yeah.
you know, I live for glitter.
Skin is glowing.
That is why I love it.
You love me too.
Yes. It's a joke. Now she's directly doing her eye makeup now.
Yeah.
We have to do something on her face.
Yes.
What you want to go with? I am going with this concealer. You want to go
I'll
with?
go with darker.
Is it darker?
No, it is not. It is not darker. I'll use this.
You can use this.
Okay.
On the spots. She's also from non-makeup background, so that's why she is like, where to apply this?
On nostrils.
Not into the nostrils.
Okay, we have to apply on the eye circles too.
I mean, I do.
Should I or not?
You can. Your skin is so dry, huh? I can see that. She's using a pencil.
We will be looking like owl.
If you look properly, she is drawing two parallel lines.
I'm good at this.
Parallel lines. You are good. Actually, she is good at liners.
Yes.
She is good at only liners in makeup.
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not.
I'm using this shade. I don't know.
It's a brown shade. You don't have to be specific in shades. Who cares?
03 medium brown.
Ooh.
You know, we have to show it like this, no?
It actually seems easy, but it's not.
It's not.
Don't see me. Hard. You can do one thing. You can get. You can do your, what do you say, foundation and all.
Now I have done this. Now I do foundation. I know what to do on this.
Do foundation, contouring, everything. This is 10. Don't use 10. 10 is mine. 17 might be yours. Check out.
Is it my shade?
So you want this cream blush?
Yeah, this one.
Actually, me, her, and she, who is in this video, is obsessed with this thing. This is so good. It goes on every color.
This I use daily, actually.
Even me too.
See?
You look like that. You know, when we were small, we were doing makeup, and we are doing the same thing, and we are not even blending that. We think that we used to look beautiful. She's adding the same color to her eyelids and then dark brown. I think it's black. She's, I think, kind of trying to blend it. I think. But I don't see any difference.
For eyeshadow, I'm actually going to use a contour shade. We're not going to do too
Contour shade.
Okay, I'm done.
Are you done? Seriously? Have you done anything?
Oh, nice.
Is that too much? I think your eyelids are like that. She is filling her upper eyeline with what we say, kajal. Might not be kajal, but we only have kajal. You can go with Swiss Beauty one. We have to hold it. We have to hold our eye.
Okay.
Okay, that's okay. Now it's your turn. Can you see yourself?
Yeah, I can see myself. Where am I?
She's looking at you. If you want to skip, you can skip.
Practice makes the man perfect.
But you're a woman. Was that a bad one?
Just shut up. I was watering.
I don't know how she's perfect. It's like she's so perfect with her eye makeup.
Practice makes the man perfect.
This thing we don't have. So we are definitely going to skip this. Okay, so we have to call her lashes. I know you're going to skip this part.
Yeah.
She's so bad. Actually, she's afraid of this thing.
I'll use that now. Directly.
What? At least you can try. You can try.
I can't. Practice makes the man perfect.
Okay, lashes and sorry, but we have to skip this part. We are so especially I'm so bad at lashes and I don't want to do time pass. It's already
guys,
11 p.m.
Already 11 p.m.
She's using cushion foundation and we obviously don't have cushion foundation.
We don't have cushion.
I might have that one day after some time.
Yeah, what cushion or cushion foundation?
You can just chill with this goggle till I apply my foundation. Sorry, contour stake off.
Wow.
This is actually my shade. This doesn't look my shade now, but it is my shade. How can you be so serious on that?
I think we should go to Goa now.
Yes. So we are already at Goa.
Yeah. Where is my that water?
Coconut water. You want
yeah.
some coconut water? A coconut water, please.
Okay. I'll take that. You take this.
Yeah, take it.
No, you say thank you.
Thank you, Bhaiya. Don't make that face.
D and D. Do not disturb.
Next we are going with blush.
I don't like the blush.
I feel like that blush. Yeah. Okay, she will apply another layer of it. Just like her, a little bit. Actually, the way Korean girls apply blush is, it looks so cute.
Yes, applied a
No, actually, she's going to apply another another layer of that.
very bad at this. Oh, very bad. We can't.
This is the point where I like my confidence. I don't have confidence at this step. Oh my goodness. Okay, she forgot to contour and I thought she's not going to contour. In case you're wondering why I'm making this J kind of thing, I have seen somewhere that Korean people want their face to look like this, which is why they blend this part. How are we going to do that? That might spoil her whole makeup. And then this part. Actually, she's not adding on her cheeks. Anyways, done. Okay. I will go with this shade. And go with that.
Horse does that.
And what do you call to female horse? What we call to female horse? Oh, the Google says we call female horse Bhakti. It is called a mare. M-A-R-E. Here. Beauty spots. Yeah, we have to do it. Oh my goodness, what did I do?
It's not called beauty spot.
It's called
Daddy spot.
is remaining, I think. When did she do her eyebrows? I think she have not done her eyebrows. Or she have. Which animal is that which has broad eyebrows?
Adi Mano.
Daku Mangal Singh.
Oh, Chota Bheem, oh Krishna, Chota Bheem.
What is the Bheem ki chaddi? Bheem.
Why are you so obsessed with Bheem?
Bheem ki nanna. Bheem ki.
Chaddi.
Bheem ki chaddi. Is that chaddi? It's not chaddi. I think. Wait, we will listen. Bheem ki
Bheem
Bheem
ki
ki chutney.
chutney.
Bheem ki chutney.
Ch-
How could that be chaddi?
Chaddi. Ki Shakti.
Bheem ki shakti. It's Shakti. Bheem ki shakti.
धूम मचाए सामने कोई टिक ना पाए छोटा भीम
छोटा भीम छोटा
लड्डू का शौकी
Oh my god.
So this was it all about Korean makeup. Let us know whose makeup was better, whose makeup is the best.
Of course, you can see that.
Have I not blended my concealer in this one? You know what I feel this time? I am loving this Korean makeup, and my last Korean makeup was not that good, and this is the best, I would say, from my side. I think it's because of that girl whose makeup was, I think, easy, kind of simple. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. Lots of love. Bye.
Bye.